Okay, good morning. It's Lisa with Passionfruit Arts. We're in the kitchen this morning and I'm just showing you a little bit of my morning routine. I'm just having a nice cup of ginger lemon honey tea, and it's a really nice basic tea to have, and I highly recommend making it fresh. So you just take a big hunk of ginger, and the fresher the better because it has such good warming properties. And you can peel off the skin with a spoon. I just like to take it off with a knife. It's really not a big deal. You're just making the tea. You could even cut it into slices and leave the skin on. But I like to take it off. It can be a little bit bitter. It really doesn't matter. And then just slice it into, oh my goodness, that's a big chunk. Slice it into some little pieces and throw it in a little pot of water. Boil it up for like 20 minutes. I already have some going from last night, and I'll just add that, and then I'll just keep refreshing the water throughout the day. So that's a lot of ginger, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in anyway because I like it nice and strong. It's warming, it increases circulation, helps you sweat, and is so good for stimulating the digestion. So when things have been a little bit heavy and cold in the winter, you can rely on ginger to warm things up and keep you cozy. So I will pour the ginger just straight into a mug and use some lemon. I like the fresh lemon. It's really great in the morning for a little hit of vitamin C. We need vitamin C every day. It doesn't store in our fat like some vitamins. And I also had some leftover cuties from the kids, and they were getting a little bit wilted and all kind of curling up. So I decided to juice them. Now I usually add honey to this, and honey is really soothing to the throat, and I only use raw honey. Honey that's been cooked and treated is actually almost toxic, but this raw honey, you can tell it's nice and firm, you know, it's not this runny honey. And so I usually put a lot of honey, lemon, and ginger, but since we have the orange is probably pretty sweet, so I don't know how much honey we'll need. And you can use a little squeezer. I like it a little tart, and you can adjust it to taste. But with the honey and the lemon, it's a really nice balance. This is a little morning routine. I also made some avocado toast that I will share with you. I'm really liking this this teff bread. I happen to be gluten-free, so I like to have some bread every once in a while, and this teff bread by a local company is so rich and satisfying. All right, so we've got the lemon. I'm gonna do the little orange. And probably just a splash of honey while it's warm. And this tea is actually really energizing too because the ginger is stimulating, so it wakes me up. There we go, this wonderful morning tonic.